This is your daily glimpse of science. Before we get into our video, please scroll down and click the like button. If you want to see more of our content, please subscribe.
Honey, what should we cook for dinner?
How about we make some fried rice? I just read an article that mentioned physics could help you make the best fried rice.
Really? Tell me.
Have you ever noticed that a lot of professional chefs keep tossing the rice from their woks into the air when they're cooking the fried rice? The physicists analyzed those tossing movements to figure out how to make fried rice like a pro.
How did the physicists carry out the analysis?
They asked the professional chefs to slide the wok back and forth while simultaneously rocking it, using the stovetop rim as a fulcrum. The chefs had to repeat this specific set of motions about 3 times a second. Then the researchers simulated the trajectories of the rice in a wok.
What benefits do those movements give?
They helped mix the rice well and avoid burning as long as the rocking and sliding motions are not totally in sync. Also, the movements of the wok should be repeated rapidly. The faster the wok was moved, the higher the rice would be launched, which allowed the rice to be cooked at a higher temperature without burning, providing a quicker meal and also the tastiest fried rice.
Those are some important culinary tips. I need to write them down.
But remember, those fast motions are not easy to achieve. The article mentioned that rapidly shaking the wok could be one of the reasons that led to shoulder pain of the chefs at the Chinese restaurant. The researchers were thinking of building a robot equipped with a stir-frying skill to hopefully take the weight off the chef's shoulders.
Honey, I guess I put you in charge of practicing those stir-frying movements until that robot is built.
The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.